my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. I'm smiling, guys, because I really love this juice. This is one of my favorite smoothie, all right? And I'm gonna share it with you, all right, guys? So what I'm gonna make here, I'm gonna make some Irish mash. I will leave a link how to make my delicious Irish mash. Yeah. Pineapple apple smoothie with a little bit of ginger in it, all right? And then I'm going to add some almond milk. So let's get straight into this video. Oh, and I'm going to use a little bit of banana, maybe half of ripe banana. Dump everything in all at once. Pineapple, oh, I hope you can hold, guys. Ginger and my apple and the banana. I'm gonna put half of ripe banana. I hope it can hold everything. There, it did. And I'm gonna put a big tablespoon, huge, of Irish mash. Look at that goodness, guys. It better hold in there today. All right. I have bigger blender, guys, but this one blend it so good. There. All right, we're gonna work with that, right? I'm gonna top it off with some almond milk. I'm gonna put about a cup. That's good. And we're gonna blend this bad boy. Can you see the goodness? This is one of my favorite smoothie, all right, guys? Super healthy, all right? Lots of vitamin, lots of antioxidants. It's gonna clean and build your immune system. Good with weight loss, all right? Let's pour some in, guys. Add a little bit of mint. That's my delicious, really healthy fruit smoothie. Irish mash, pineapple, a little bit of banana, and some ginger and apple fruit smoothie. Apple, pineapple, Irish mash, ginger, keeps the doctor away. Okay, guys, super healthy. Good for digestion. Just a good healthy smoothie overall. Oh my, guys, I started to drink it and I didn't even show you. It's so good though. Can you see that goodness? Oh my goodness. Oh, so good. Oh my goodness. Not too much ginger, but just enough. Ooh, so good.